In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in Adobe Illustrator using the Align panel. If you've ever spent too much time nudging shapes or text to line up just right, this lesson will save you a ton of effort. We'll keep it simple and clean so you can get consistent professional results every time. Start by selecting the objects you want to align. Use the selection tool to click and drag a box around them, or shift-click to add specific items one by one. If something won't select, it might be locked or on a hidden layer, so unlock or reveal it before continuing. When multiple objects are selected, you'll see their bounding boxes, which is a good visual cue that you're ready to align. Next, open the Align panel, go to the top menu, choose Window, then Align. This opens a dedicated panel with all the alignment controls in one place, so you don't have to guess or eyeball placement. Keep it visible while you work. Once you know it's there, you'll use it constantly. Now, choose how you want your objects to line up. Align left places all selected objects, so their left edges match the leftmost object in the selection. Align center brings all objects to the same horizontal center line, great for titles and icons that need to sit evenly across a layout. Align right snaps the right edges to the rightmost object, ideal for clean margins on the opposite side. For vertical adjustments, align top lines every object up with the top edge of the highest object. Align middle moves objects so their vertical centers match, which is perfect when you want elements to be centered around a horizontal axis without changing their heights. Align bottom pulls everything to the lowest object's bottom edge, helpful for consistent baselines. By default, these commands align objects relative to the selection as a whole. That means Illustrator looks at the outermost edges of everything you've selected and moves the pieces to match those boundaries. The objects don't change size, they simply shift position so their edges or centers align. If nothing seems to move, it probably means your objects were already aligned, which is a good sign your layout is consistent. Once you've picked the alignment you want, review your spacing and make minor adjustments if needed. A quick zoom in can help confirm